Today we're going to be looking at one of the oldest questions known to mankind. Should I start a YouTube channel? I think someone said, "To thine own self be YouTube." Maybe that was Shakespeare. But anyway, the answer is yes, so be sure to stick around and listen to these 5 reasons why. And if you get anything out of today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Welcome to the Major Report. YouTube has become insanely popular, and there are around 3.5 million videos posted every day. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you're worried and wondering if the market is oversaturated and if it's even too late, there really is such a huge audience for practically everything. And that doesn't guarantee success if you want to start a YouTube channel. But what it does say is that the possibilities are there. I know that starting a YouTube channel can be really intimidating and overwhelming. Believe me, it took me a year of brainstorming countless ideas and even filming a bunch of dummy videos before I actually posted my first video, but I sincerely believe that the benefits are worth it. Let's take a look at why. The first thing is flexibility. As a YouTube creator, you have the flexibility to make your own schedule and create any kind of content that you want. This means that you can fit it around your current full-time job or whatever your other commitments are. This gives you the freedom to create videos whenever and wherever you want to. Of course, a job is a job. There's always ups and downs, but honestly, being able to work on my own schedule and talk about the things that I want to talk about is a pretty big incentive. Number 2 is passive income. Now, this is one of the best incentives and benefits of starting a YouTube channel is the passivity and the scalability of the income. So before I started my YouTube channel, I actually had a print-on-demand Etsy shop. And it was successful. I did well. I profited. The great thing about YouTube is the scale is infinite. I see videos from other content creators talking about how they're able to kind of relax after a bit, not create content for chunks of time every once in a while, but they're still raking in that ad revenue from videos that they made years ago. And that is extremely attractive to me. And for the things that I want in life, I need the time that I'm spending on creating to be scalable into something more massive than what I was finding on Etsy. So I think that the scalability and passivity of YouTube income is a huge no-brainer as one of the reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. Number 3, build your personal brand. So I'm really excited about the prospect of showing who I am on YouTube and trusting that there are other people out there that will find value in my personality and my quirks and all that stuff. I'm really excited to build my brand off of my personality because it's me. Oh yeah, this is what happens when you go off script.
Building a personal brand can be especially helpful if you're looking to grow your professional network or attract potential clients or customers.
Yeah, that too. But also the thing about being able to express your personality and be yourself as your brand, I think is awesome. I don't remember what number this is, but entrepreneurship. Starting a YouTube channel allows you to be your own boss and create content that aligns with your personal values and passions and interests. And like I said before, with the millions or even billions of people that are on YouTube as audience members, there really is a potential here to grow from just a hobby channel to a full-time business with full-time income. There are, articles in Forbes magazine, for example, talking about the legitimacy of starting a YouTube channel and being a YouTube content creator. There's tons of money out there, so why not take advantage of the potential to tap into that? I've kind of touched on this on some of the other points, but community. One of the best things about YouTube that not only have I heard from other videos just like this, but that I've actually seen is the communities that are built. I love to comment on other people's videos. I love when people reply to my comments. I cry when people disagree with me because I'm overly sensitive about everything. I keep saying this at the end of all of my videos, but it's so true. I'm really looking forward to, and I'm so excited to build a community where we can encourage each other and inspire each other and share stories and just vibe off of each other and push each other to follow their dreams, whatever those dreams are, whether it's starting a YouTube channel or it's trying to get a higher paying job because you know what your value is, you know what your worth is.
There are other things I'm looking forward to talking about this year, like self-development and productivity, because even if we have a great job, we still have to make sure that that's balanced well.
A work-life balance.
And back to the script. So overall, starting a YouTube channel as your side hustle can be a rewarding and fun experience. The flexibility, passive income potential, sense of belonging and community and being able to express yourself, and the element of entrepreneurship all make it a great choice for those looking to supplement their income and pursue their passions. Plus, being able to build your personal brand off of who you are as a person can be extremely fulfilling. So if you're considering starting a YouTube channel, please don't hesitate. Just start now. The benefits are definitely worth it. So on that note, talking about community and all that stuff, leave a comment below and tell me what your YouTube channel ideas are, or if you have any questions, I'm happy to help any way that I can. Again, I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and building the community here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me about your journey, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. As always, thank you. But anyway, the answer is yes. And tell me in the comments below what channel you're thinking of. Okay, so if you're anything like me,